Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, your OS, internet, and admin access. Once confirmed, open your current browser and download the Chrome installer. Make sure to pick the correct variant, 64-bit for modern systems, because it gives better stability and security. While the file downloads, note where it saves so you can run it quickly. If you use a work machine, check policies now, otherwise proceed to the installer. This first step gets you from nothing to an executable, so don't skip it. You run the installer and follow prompts, accept terms and allow permissions, because installers need elevated access to add system shortcuts and update defaults. Once Chrome opens, choose to import bookmarks, passwords, and settings. This preserves your workflow and saves time. If you have multiple profiles, create or sign into a Google account to enable sync so tabs and history travel with you. Make sure the import completed successfully before moving on, because that saves repeated manual transfer. You finalize by setting Chrome as your default browser and tailoring privacy, site permissions, and cookies so browsing matches your needs. Add extensions you rely on, organize the toolbar, and pin vital tabs to speed daily work. Once done, test key sites and sign-ins. If something fails, slow loads or blocked installs, clear the cache first, then reboot. Make sure firewall or admin policies aren't blocking Chrome. If reinstallation is needed, uninstall fully, reboot. Then reinstall to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.